it's Alex Spider again.
Woo! Everyone really enjoyed our last video when we reacted to
yeah.
Alex Spider, so we decided to hop on and do another one.
You guys blew it away.
But yeah, we're back with another one. So, what are we reacting to today?
Gregory's Restore Spider, which is directly after he turned on, like, those wither animatronics down there.
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
All right, let's see. This video's not made for kids 13 under. Oh,
Here
yeah.
he goes. Oh my gosh, I completely forgot about all this. Man, they are after him.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
Why does Chica have her wires like that?
Who knows?
Yeah. Oh! With her body!
We almost got him. Uh-oh. Might want to run, Gregory.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. He's so clunky and funny looking. Uh-oh. Oh no.
Run,
oh no.
run, run, run.
Go. He made it.
Oh, at least he didn't run into the doors like the elevator like the others did. If you think about it.
True. After everything, he just sighed.
Oh!
You want to see something cool?
What is happening?
You like it?
I think she's trying to be his friend. Oh, right! Because she thought he was being nice to her and gave her a gift, remember?
Oh, yeah. I forgot about that.
So she's just trying to be friendly.
So she's actually trying to be friendly. I thought it was all like a sham.
I
But...
told you, Roxanne has a good side to her.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you're friends with her now.
I am friends with her now, but she's still a little spicy. I mean, kind of crazy, so...
Hey, sometimes I prefer hot Cheetos over regular Cheetos, is all I gotta say.
Look at it again.
Takis, though.
Yeah.
Her eyes, though. Oh, Foxy.
Help him, Roxanne.
In my hair, quick.
Yeah, what?
In her hair?
Oh, to ride.
Oh.
I guess that is like the easiest thing for him to grab, actually.
I thought it was gonna be like a hair hatch.
Yeah, weird. Friends.
Move into the pizza plex. I got my bags.
Oh, no.
Wait, what? What am I doing?
I forgot this Glamrock Freddy's stupid, isn't he?
Yeah.
Oh.
Why does it look like a portal? The way they make it look like with the newspaper and everything, it makes it look like he's in a portal body.
I thought the same thing.
Freddy, you're supposed
Oh,
to be on
this.
lockdown.
I like how they use the exact line.
No.
No.
Much more better now.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Just one more thing to deal with.
Wait, is she gonna lug me over there?
I hope so.
Hey,
That's
kid.
funny.
Come back soon.
Oh, you're not gonna stick with him? I guess she has to make sure that she doesn't look suspicious to the others, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh, Monty!
Oh, there's Monty. Not who I really wanted to see, but you know.
Are you still salty about the whole thing?
Yes! That was the worst date I've ever been on. Oh,
Even worse than...
ew.
You still describe that Funtime Freddy date to me.
That one was bad too. I'm never going on another date that a Freddy sets up.
Okay, that's not fair. Oh!
Music Man. I didn't expect to see him.
I guess there's no map for, like, the music area he's in, so...
True, yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
They really are not the brightest, are they?
No. Very simplified bots.
Yeah.
DJ Music Man, on the other hand, though.
Just killing with music right up there. I love his music. You should really come to one of his shows.
I'm alright. Thanks, though. What is
You really gotta stop pulling random levers.
error? Music stopped.
Oh, you stopped this music? Oh no.
If I saw that looking at me,
Oh, especially that?
I would not be happy.
Like that right there?
That's terrifying.
That's actually part of the game, by the way.
Ew! I know it is.
Oh, how do you trip over a foam
No.
finger?
It's a foam. Uh-oh.
Oh, Freddy. Oh,
That really messed him up.
yeah.
Gregory.
Freddy, are you okay?
I don't think he's okay.
No.
Roxy's only fan.
Oh my god.
Well, okay.
He really wants that password. Gregory repairs Freddy.
Tying into the last one, I suppose.
Yeah. Freddy got pretty messed up.
Are we at the daycare?
I-
Oh no.
Oh, I guess we're just in a random place.
Pizza!
Like a pizza falling on the ground would stop Chica.
Freddy,
Yeah.
Let's be real here.
Yeah, that... it wouldn't. Oh, he's so messed up right now.
Oh man.
Oh!
Oh no.
Hey, at least I'm trying my best to keep him safe. Oh! Bonnie! My best buddy!
Hey. What did that do?
I think he said, I'll distract him. You guys go.
Oh, okay.
Access granted.
got it. I can open parts and service now.
Well done.
Where's she headed?
Oh, she's just trying to catch up. It's like, wait for
Aw,
me!
she
Wait
wants
for
to
me!
join too.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
That's a reference. That's a joke.
What?
So in Markiplier's playthrough, he barely escaped Roxanne, but she made that leap, so she was clipping through the door.
Oh.
And it's been a joke on the internet ever since, where there's been
That's
like
funny.
drawings of her impression on the elevator door, and I guess he just played on that right now.
Yeah. Makes sense.
That's gotta hurt though.
Yeah, too bad she didn't make it. What is that?
Help me.
Oh,
To
Oh.
parts and service.
I guess that taser really did mess me up.
Help me. Me.
Oh.
me.
I hate your voice modulator sometimes.
There is nothing to be
Ha 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 ha
said.
Oh, geez, did you break it?
I doubt
No.
it.
I did that on purpose.
Preparing for upgrade procedure.
Ooh, upgrades.
Commence testing phase.
I hate this.
Repeat the correct sequence.
feel so
by pressing
uncomfortable.
the flashing connectors.
I like it.
It is important that you
I want
match the
upgrades.
pattern correctly.
It's okay.
Uh-oh.
Okay, that's not
Blue,
so bad.
red, yellow, green. Oh. I guess he doesn't have colors.
Easy.
Oh, no. Oh, okay.
Okay, it shouldn't be so bad. Oh,
Hmm.
no. You would have to be a complete master to get to remember that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Gregory, you might want to run.
so it's hinted that if you mess that up, basically the virus takes over my body.
Testing phase.
The one
I
else
guess
affecting.
so.
The one else affecting the others. Oh. Oh no.
Da, 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 da. Bing,
know-
bing.
You know what? Give Alex Spider some credit. Either he found that song online or he had to make that in the button rhythm sounds.
Oh, I think he definitely made it.
Oh. Oh.
Good job.
That
Oh.
worked?
Freddy is all patched up and ready for the big show.
Oh, hey, I'm back to normal.
Well done, superstar.
I want one of those. Who is it?
I love how Gregory's sneaking by, and then you hear me walking right behind him, like bang, bang, bang.
To the pizzaplex, I got my bags packed. What's in your chest, Freddy Faz? I need that. Is that what I think
What?
it is?
Oh, I'm killing it right now with the dance
You
moves.
want this, but you
What
can't.
is?
Up, Freddy.
Oh.
Oh.
Freddy, now what am I supposed to do? You're in such big trouble, mister.
Officer Vanessa,
Go back to your room.
Oh.
Move!
I'm programmed not to be able to hurt her, so.
Oh, crap!
Uh-oh. What's that?
Foxy?
From the daycare?
Oh. Oh, that's right! That's right! The older
What?
animatronics, they always go after security guard over everything else.
Oh, you're right. Yeah. That's some heavy lore right there.
Come on!
He forgave easily.
Hey, kid. I can help.
Why did you pose like that?
I don't know. Oh, that's the end though.
So we got one more after this, but we can save it for either a part 3 or we could just watch it right now. What do you think?
What do you think is better?
You know what? Let's watch it.
Yeah, we can watch it.
This one's called Freddy and Roxanne Helps Gregory. Instead of just Freddy Helps Gregory,
Yeah.
it's Freddy and Roxanne.
Roxanne's all about Gregory now.
Yeah, like I said, the internet just says that if she wasn't evil, she'd be like the mom.
True.
To be fair, she can run pretty fast.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Wait, is she back in, like, the old pizzeria?
yeah. Wait, brother?
Wait, what's going on here? He's the night guard!
Oh my god, I remember this short.
Pretty sure that's Freddy.
That's like 5 a.m. at Freddy's.
Where are you going? Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Fun fact, we don't actually like our noses honked without our consent.
Hmm.
So it actually annoys us quite a bit. Is that gonna stop you?
Why would it stop me?
I was hoping that would...
Honk honk. I should get a Freddy nose honk button on my thingamajiggy. Honk. Honk, 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 honk.
I hate my life right now. Oh, and she bailed.
The animatronic characters here do get a bit quirky.
Brother! What are
Hey,
you doing?
kid. I can help.
Where is she taking him?
I don't know.
Oh, she's sniffing. Oh, that's right. Because of her abilities, she has like the best senses out of all of us. She has the best eyes, ears, and nose.
She is a wolf though, so that like makes sense. They have
True.
really keen senses.
Oh,
Ew, not Tiny Music Man.
am I just talking to that cone?
These are Roxy's eyes?
Really? I didn't know Roxy could see through walls.
I am the best.
Oh, that is a phrase.
True.
Pizza!
Oh. Yeah,
Jeez.
let's not go that way.
What was that?
Hey, at least you can tell them where the others are.
True. For good use. Full skill to have.
I feel that something is wrong.
Come on!
Have you checked the party garages? The raceway was closed very abruptly prior to the new construction.
Oh. I guess she just
Come
says.
on out.
I guess she just says.
Open, let's go!
I don't care about any safety precautions.
I guess so.
What the heck? I can tell you very much that this
Where
is not under
is
the pizza place.
this?
I can tell you I don't recognize this place.
So, what
Unless
is
you've
this
just never
place?
seen it before.
Do not know.
See?
See? Well, you don't know, but you don't know that it's not there.
Oh.
Where are we?
I do not know what it is.
Fun fact, in the main game, Roxy is here as an enemy, so...
Look
Noted.
at all this stuff.
I know
Okay.
what this is.
Oh, now I know.
I have been here before.
Oh.
She brought me here.
Oh.
Are you okay?
This must be where I was born.
I was born here?
I would hope not.
Wait. Oh, I get it now.
No,
This
Why?
place. This place is the pizzeria from the last game, where supposedly the original timeline ends, where you finally burn
Oh.
Circus Baby, the puppet, William Afton, all of them. And I
makes
guess this is like the remains of it.
choice. Now I have a choice. My friends are here. They are so angry,
Uh-oh.
confused. But I can protect you.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Don't be scared. We're only trying to help.
Is she hitting on me?
What was with the little tail swing?
That's when she's excited.
Ew.
Is this really the right time to be hitting on me?
Don't be scared. We're only trying to help.
Is this really the time to be hitting on me?
What's this?
Why does I have a bad feeling about this?
I do too. I wouldn't walk in that.
Oh! Ow!
Yeah. Ow. What is that? Oh no.
Springtrap!
Oh boy. Ooh, that's a good ending.
Yep.
Hello, son.
Oh
Look
god.
at him, he's so messed up.
Yeah, not only that, look, the way that his eyes are positioned, it makes it look like those swirly eyes.
It does.
Oh.
Oh man, I really like these animations from Alex Spider.
I do too. It's a really good mixture of jokes, but actual in-game lore with his own spin on it. You know what we haven't seen in a while, actually?
What?
We haven't seen Vanny in a while, actually.
True. I wonder if she'll pop back up. I guess we'll find out in the future.
Yeah, whenever he decides to continue us, we'll be ready to react to it.
Yeah, we will.
Again, if you guys want to watch these without any of our commentary, rewinding, or pausing, make sure you guys go follow the link down in the description or in the pinned comment to watch these by yourselves. Make sure to also give this video a like and go to the proper video and give them a like too. They deserve it for all this hard work.
True.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.